Okay, so I've already let you guys see me recording the Cheez-Its. I did the Cheez-Its a minute ago. So I'm going to show you how I do my Gatorade. So you already see that this actually was another person's stuff. As I said, I always copy my things, and that way when I get another order for the same items, I'll already have a template of basically where everything goes, so I know that these are the sides, so and this is the front. So here we go. Now we were doing the Scooby-Doo thing, so as you can see, I have my Scooby-Doo thing right here. So I'm going to shrink it to the size that I want it. And you are in the camera, sir. Okay, and so I'll adjust it the way I need it to be. So right here, just like this. Okay, cool. Make sure this one is on top. It is. So I'm gonna put this one down here. Adjust it up a little bit. Okay, about right here. So now I'm going to ungroup all the items. So now I can move things around as needed. So this I'm going to put behind. So now there is my Gatorade. And so I'm going to remove the items I don't need. This I don't need. I actually am only going to use this small one right here. So with that being said, I have to make sure all of these are behind the image, behind the text image. Where is it? Okay, move it over just a little bit right there. Behind. And I'll just remove the things that I don't need. That's no big deal. Okay. Okay, we're gonna remove this. Put you right here. And I need to remove that one. Okay, let's put you there. Go. There we go. I can adjust this one as well. Move it over this way. Okay, here we go. Now I need to remove this right here. Oh, where is it? There you go. And then I'll put this back. Put the happy birthday back. Remove Trinity off. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and remove these here now so that it's not in my way when I go to do it again. When I do the top one. There. So, since I'm doing something differently, I need to adjust a few of these. Oh shoot. I don't want to take the baby's pictures away. I'll put this here for now. So, because I'm doing something a little different, I'm going to put them here. Well, let's see. Where did the raccoons go? I'll put the raccoons right here. And I'll put the girl's image right here. And I'll adjust it a little bit so that it kind of goes, everything goes in line. Same thing with them. I'll adjust them a little bit. Just like that. I actually want to crop this because it's kind of in my way. Just like this. Crop it over. That way you won't have a lot of stuff bother in your way. So, with that being said and done, this particular bottle that I have here, I'm gonna read to see where my things are.
Good night, Mama.
Good night, baby. And so, just like that, I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit. So, just to make something, you know, look kind of neat. So this one is the third quarter. It's still third quarter. And I just need to change the flavor, right? Let's put this here. And I'll change the flavor to this flavor. Yeah. Mom, Kennedy, please go to bed. Alright, so I'm going to change the font. I am going to change the lining of my fonts so that it's uniform with the other. And same thing with the third quarter. I'm going to change that as well, so it's all uniformed. Sometimes I do it ununiform because sometimes people want it like kind of different. They want all their images to be a little different, so I do that sometimes because some people want it like that. So there we go there. So now I have to change this as well. And what I want to do is think about putting, no, I don't think I like it like that. I will put that there.
Like that, right?
Okay, so with this being said, it was on the original person stuff. So what I want to do is the same thing here. I want to put the make this white and make this yellow, well, golden yellow. That way it's uniform, and I'll pull you up a little bit. Okay, so this is how I figured I like it. So from there, I am going to, I'm gonna put you right here. There we go. So now I'm going to shift. Oh, wait a minute. Before I do that, I'm going to adjust this to make it look better. Okay. So now I am going to hold the shift key, and I'm gonna click all my items, because now I'm going to copy it, and that way when I do my new image, it will be exactly this way. I don't have to do anything special to it once I do this. So right now I'm just copying all of my items. Okay, that's already copied. Oh wait. Copy this one. Okay, so now I'm going to let the shift key go, and I'm going to group it. So now I can, all I have to do, okay, come on. Just like that. But I I need to ungroup it because I don't like the way that's sitting there. Okay, so now I have grouped it, and now I'm going to paste. And bam, there it goes. Everything in the order that I wanted in. Bless me. Okay, and there we go. I don't worry about that because I'm just going to cut that off. I'm going to cut that off. So now I'm going to go ahead and print 3 because she needs 6. I'm going to go to print property, make sure it's still where I want it to be. And there we go. And then I'll come back after I print it out and I'll assemble. Excuse the noise in the background. My girls are playing. Okay, so we're going to cut off the white edges on this Gatorade. So we'll do that now. Cut off the white edge on each side, as well as this one. Okay. Take your pieces, throw them in your little trash box. And then you're going to take your image. Now what you're going to do is tape here in the middle. You're going to tape right here on the side. And then on this side, you're going to tape it all the way up. But I'm going to lay it down and do that. So I can have a little self-control. Okay, so then I'm already taped everything. What you want to do is take your bottle. And the reason I put tape here in the middle is that I like to put mine on there. That way it's just like this. And I'll be able to roll it so much more better because I'll have that on the edge. And so now we go. And there we go right there. And it's done.